They say that one size doesn't fit all, but there is one product in the stock market that every beginner should consider. So are you a beginner? If yes, then cut the clutter and watch this video till the end. In today's video, I'll talk about what is Nifty 50 ETF and why you should start your investment journey with this product. I am Aprajita, a certified financial planner and a financial journalist, and you're watching our YouTube channel. But before we begin the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to keep receiving new video notifications. Before I explain what is Nifty 50 ETF, you need to understand what is an ETF. ETF meaning exchange traded funds. So as the name suggests, these funds trade on the stock exchanges. You need to have a demat account to buy or sell exchange traded funds. These funds track an underlying index, meaning these funds invest in a basket of securities that comprise an index. Now, if we talk about Nifty 50 ETF, then Nifty 50 ETF invests in Nifty Index Fund. And Nifty Index Fund is made up of top 50 companies in terms of market capitalization in the stock market. Now, if you invest in Nifty 50 ETF, then you are getting exposure to top 50 companies of the stock market. What else do you want as a beginner? Think about buying any stock. You will realize that it is difficult analyzing their numbers or tracking their future prospects or simply understanding their business model. Now, in this situation, you may have to rely on others who might give you mixed views about different stocks. So what should you do? Don't get into complexity. You can simply invest in Nifty 50 ETF, and that way you can invest in top 50 companies of the stock market in terms of market capitalization. This index gets rebalanced semi-annually and stocks get replaced automatically. So in that way, you will always be invested in top stocks of the stock market. Stock market is highly volatile, and as a beginner, your heart may sink looking at losses in your portfolio if the market is on a downtrend. But Nifty 50 ETF comprises top 50 companies, which are blue chip companies, and volatility in such stocks is quite less, which is why you should invest in Nifty 50 ETF because stability is important for beginners. The cost of investing in Nifty 50 ETF is quite less. For example, ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 ETF has an expense ratio of just 0.05%, and comparatively, if you look at other active mutual funds, then you would be paying anywhere between 1 to 2%, and in some cases even more than 2% to invest in active mutual funds. How to invest in Nifty 50 ETF? For that, you need to open a demat account with any broking firm. And there are multiple Nifty 50 ETF listed in the stock market. So in the search bar, you can simply put ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 ETF and you will get it. One can buy as low as 1 unit of the ETF. So you can start your investment with as low as just 200 to invest in ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 ETF. If you do not have a demat account, then you can invest in Nifty Index Fund. But the plus point with Nifty 50 ETF is that you can get real-time NAV. So when you invest in Nifty Index Fund, then you are going to get day and closing NAV depending on the time when you invest. So it could be of the same day or the next day depending on the time when you invest. But in case of Nifty 50 ETF, you can invest any time during market hours and you will get that real-time NAV. And when you have access to real-time NAV, then the returns closely correspond to the returns of Nifty Index, and this results in lower tracking error, which benefits you. So you should start your investment with Nifty 50 ETF before moving to any other fund or stocks. If you have any query, then do ask those in the comments below. Now don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you soon. Till then, tarakki kare.